In today's video, we are focusing on figure skating transitions on a circle. I will show you how to smoothly move between forward and backward edges while doing crossovers and how to transition seamlessly from forward to backward and back again using different steps and turns. These drills will help you improve your edge control, flow, and confidence around the circle, so let's get started. Our first transition will include forward and backward crossovers with 3 turns. We will start on the circle with forward crossovers from the left foot, then follow with a right forward and side 3 turn, crossing in front with the left backward and side edge after. Next, continue with a backward crossover from right backward outside to left backward and side edge, rotating your upper body outside of the circle, and execute a left backward and side to left forward outside 3 turn to start the sequence again. After the left forward outside to right forward and side crossover, continue with a right forward and side 3 turn and another backward crossover. Repeat this multiple times, focusing on knees and ankles bend and the extension of your free leg. Then switch directions and repeat the exercise the opposite way. Start with the right forward outside to left forward and side crossover, followed by left forward and side 3 turn, cross in front on the right backward inside edge, and continue with the backward crossover, finishing with the right backward and side 3 turn. Remember, always work on your skating skills in both directions from different legs to become a more balanced skater. If you are a beginner skater and need help learning your 3 turns and crossovers, visit my website styleskating.com and sign up for the Figure Skating Foundation video course. This course has 100 detailed tutorials with step-by-step explanations, common mistakes, and exercises to fix them. You will learn everything from your first steps on the ice to more advanced skating skills, single jumps, and basic spins. This course is designed to help you become a confident, graceful skater and enjoy skating even more. Click the link above or look in the description below to sign up today. Our next exercise focuses on Mohawk transitions on the circle. Start with the left forward outside to right forward inside crossover. After a couple of crossovers, step onto your left forward outside edge, check your right shoulder back, align your arms and free leg with your skating leg. From there, execute a left forward outside to right backward outside Mohawk, crossing in front with the left backward and side edge after. Continue with a backward crossover from right backward outside to left backward and side edge, then step into an inside Mohawk from left backward and side to right forward inside edge. And continue again with forward crossovers. Repeat this exercise multiple times, then switch to the opposite direction. Start with the right forward outside to left forward inside crossover, step into right forward outside to left backward outside Mohawk, crossing in front on the backward inside edge, then continue with backward crossover and finish with the right backward inside to left forward inside Mohawk. Repeat multiple times. Focus on power through your crossovers, extension of your free leg, and keep your skating knee and ankle bent for smooth, controlled skating. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, don't forget to push the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Consider joining my YouTube membership, where you can message me directly with all your skating questions and even request personalized video on the element you are currently working on. Click the link above or check the description below to join today. Now that we have practiced transitions with 3 turns and Mohawks, it's time for the fun part – hops. We'll work on 2 different variations. In one direction, we will start with forward crossover, then follow with a waltz jump from left to right, crossing in front onto the left backward and side edge. Continue with backward crossovers, then perform a fallen leaf from right backward outside edge, landing through the left toe and pushing into a glide on the right forward and side edge. Continue with forward crossovers and repeat the sequence. In this variation, the focus is on keeping your transitions flowing while using the hops to move from forward to backward and from backward to forward in the same direction. This helps improve coordination, timing, and edge control while making your skating more dynamic and fun. Now we will practice the opposite direction with a slightly different transition. Start with forward crossovers, then perform the waltz jump, crossing in front with the right backward inside edge after you land through the left toe. Continue with backward crossovers, and this time we'll add a jump turning to the left, facing the center of the circle during the jump. The landing of the jump will be through the left toe, gliding on the right forward outside edge, similar to a bracket turn. After landing, continue with forward crossovers, then repeat the sequence with the waltz jump and hop. This variation helps you build power, timing, and smooth transitions in both directions, while keeping your skating dynamic and balanced. To improve your timing, try doing these hops back-to-back without crossovers. Before and after each hop, check your shoulder alignment, hold your arms stretched to the side, and face the center of the circle. Focus on controlling your feet and hips during the exercise. This drill is excellent for developing quickness, coordination, and control of your twist position, as well as improving the connection between your hips and shoulders. Today we practiced circle transitions, including forward and backward crossovers, 3 turns, mohawks, and hops. Remember, repeating these exercises in both directions helps you become a more balanced and confident skater. Keep focusing on your knees, ankle bend, free leg extension, and shoulder alignment. And don't forget to practice your timing and coordination with the hops. In our future video, we'll go over transitions from forward to backward and backward to forward on a serpentine pattern across the ice, including more difficult turns such as rockers, counters, and brackets. Visit my channel often as I post new videos every week. Participate in my weekly polls and quizzes, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you for watching me today, and I see you next time.